Why do you care so much about what other people think? They haven't lived a second of your life. They don't know what you've been through, so why do you care about their opinions? They don't know the pain, the emotions, the sweat, the situation you have to overcome to become the person you are today. If you stop doing something because of other people's opinions, then you're weak. Tell yourself the truth. You have to do that, or you're just living in a lie. You don't want to regret anything. You only have one shot at this, so don't stop because of other people. People are gonna say things that might hurt you. People are gonna judge you. People are gonna knock you down to your knees. You just have to deal with it. You need to remember that their opinions don't have an effect on your life of how it's gonna turn out. Of course they're gonna judge you. Only you can be the person who lives your life. Nobody else can. People don't like to see other people succeed. Stop caring about what other people think and work on yourself. Don't let people who haven't lived a single second, minute, day of your life to stop you from doing something that you want to do. To stop you from becoming the person that you want to become.